Crazy Eights, track eighties. They're always a surprise in here in my collection. There's another one I didn't know I had. 2004 collector number 197. I know I have the car Crazy Aces, but this color don't even go there, man. I love this color. Check it out, man. Don't you love it? Look at the wheels. I like those wheels. I like the red wheels like that. Oh, look at the bottom. I like red. I like red tummies on these toys, man. That's the way to go. Oh, look at that. It's clear. The little thing in the back there. Man, that's a mean looking Toby. That's a mean looking car. She drives a mean bargain. You know, big motor on that sucker.